This video is a short review of a simple mp3 that has been made, a DIY bass booster, the monster booster mp3 audio that has been made from genuine tin tomato can, and it involved the use of the can, Kente material, cardboard. This is a black material that has been lined on cardboard. Also, advanced is totally cardboard, and white glue was used to mend the parts together or to hold the parts together, and also glue stick was used as well for just few of the parts. Yes, and it's involved the use of a Bluetooth mp3 module, and it has some other ports like the TF slot. It has a pen drive slot, flash drive slot. This an aux cable or audio in and out jack port. This is also the charging part. The charging port is actually damaged, so I had to connect some direct wires from the lithium dry cell. This is a dry cell that is inside it. It's a lithium dry cell that is placed or buried by the side of the can, and also it's kind of a vacuum. There is no place that is open. It is sealed. I don't know the sound that we do when it is open, but I think it should be sealed because I don't even know why it should be open, honestly. So these are the keys. This is actually previous. This volume down. This is the mode that can be used to switch between the four modes. The four modes are first mp3, followed by mp3 Bluetooth. After Bluetooth, then you have the audio in, then the FM. These are the four modes that this mp3 has. I'm going to test them right now quickly. Don't go anywhere, just stay tuned. Let's get started. So to get started on this mp3, honestly, these are the switch ports. The switch is damaged, so I have to do this connection by using the two bridge switch of this wires for the switch.
Bluetooth mode.
So that is the Bluetooth mode. Currently in the Bluetooth mode. So to switch to the next mode, you press in the middle and hold for some short while.
Line in.
Line in. That is your audio jack that can be plugged here. You can plug in an audio jack here, send it to your phone, or let's say an amplifier, or even laptop or anything else, and then the voice will be outputted through this speaker here, and not the original source. And also
Bluetooth mode.
back to Bluetooth mode. So let's try the mp3 pen drive and see.
Music.
These are the two terminals of the battery, and I'm not sure it is a good idea to let them touch each other. For that reason, I used a PVC tape to cover one part at a time, preventing short circuiting. Because if the two terminals are allowed to touch each other, there can be a fire outbreak right now as soon as possible. So the battery can also explode. So let me press the middle again.
I think I'll find.
So changing the song.
That's good.
FM mode.
This is FM. And then the first frequency. That is the FM mode. Alright, so worth it. Just quickly disconnect this part and then it is off. So thank you for watching this video. Honestly, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe as soon as possible, because we will release more videos that are more astonishing and stunning than this type. So you can see already a student has made a very nice fan that is fired. It's amazingly powerful, and it's kind of a desktop fan. That is a premium type, honestly, that can be used in the year 2024 plus. The tutorial was shown on the studio here, and I really wish you press on the subscribe button. And if you already subscribe, thank you very much. And we'll provide you more video and give you more of our outstanding projects. Next time we post a video, you'll see it. It will pop up in your to watch list. Yes, that's why I urge you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It's very, very important. Your subscription means a lot to me. Please hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. My sincere request. Please do me a favor. Support my tabletop. Support my YouTube craft, and then by hitting the subscribe button, so that it can push me forward, and also to compel me, to motivate me to make more videos into this channel. Remember, the name is prosstv again, and come again next time. I wish to see you next time again. Stay tuned. Bye bye.